This is the Genesis G90. As part of a comprehensive driver assistance system, the Genesis G90 is equipped with the Lane Following Assist feature. Lane Following Assist is designed to help the driver keep the vehicle centered in their lane by detecting lane markings and other surrounding vehicles. Lane Following Assist can be turned on and off by pressing the Lane Driving Assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. When the system detects the lane markers and the vehicle speed is below 120 miles per hour, the lane assist indicator will illuminate in green. This shows that it is in operating state, and the vehicle will assist the driver's steering control to keep the vehicle in the center of the road. When the steering wheel control is not assisted, the white indicator light will blink and change to gray. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Volume. Alternatively, this can also be accessed by selecting Sound and then Driver Assistance. The volume can be set to high, medium, low, and off. If driving safety priority is selected, all other audio volumes will be lowered. While using this feature, the driver must always keep their hands on the steering wheel, or a warning message will appear along with an audible tone. Be aware that the Lane Following Assist function will turn off automatically if repeated hands-on steering wheel warnings are issued. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.